When it comes to replacing a door in your Conshohocken home, durability matters just as much as appearance. A door is both a functional and aesthetic feature. It protects your home from the elements, enhances security, boosts energy efficiency, and elevates curb appeal. With Conshohocken's mix of humid summers, cold winters, and year-round moisture exposure, choosing a long-lasting door material is essential. Below, we break down the best materials that offer reliability, performance, and beauty for years to come. Fiberglass. The most durable and low-maintenance option, fiberglass doors have become a top choice for many Conshohocken homeowners thanks to their exceptional longevity and weather resistance. They're engineered to withstand the region's freeze-thaw cycles without warping, rotting, or swelling. Unlike wood, fiberglass will not absorb moisture, making it ideal for homes exposed to heavy rain or snow. One of the greatest benefits of fiberglass doors is their versatility. They can be manufactured to mimic the rich, natural look of real wood while delivering superior durability. They're also excellent for energy efficiency because many fiberglass models include insulated cores that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This can contribute to reduced heating and cooling costs throughout the year. If you want a door that performs well with minimal upkeep, fiberglass is hard to beat. Steel. Strength, security, and affordability. Steel doors are known for their outstanding security features and overall strength. If home protection is a top priority, steel is one of the most reliable materials you can choose. These doors resist dents, hold up against forced entry attempts, and provide long-term stability. For Conshohocken's unpredictable weather, steel remains a dependable choice. Many steel doors feature protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion over time. They're also energy efficient, especially when manufactured with insulated foam cores. While steel is incredibly strong, it can be more prone to scratching or denting than fiberglass. However, with proper care and periodic repainting, steel doors can last for decades and still look great. Wood. Classic beauty with premium craftsmanship. For homeowners who want a timeless look, wood remains a favorite. Nothing compares to the warmth, charm, and elegance of a beautifully crafted wooden door. Wood offers design flexibility, allowing you to choose from a variety of species such as mahogany, oak, or maple. However, Conshohocken's climate can be tough on wood, not because it isn't durable, but because wood requires regular maintenance. Moisture and temperature fluctuations can cause warping or cracking if the door isn't properly sealed. That said, high-quality wooden doors constructed with modern manufacturing techniques and weather-resistant finishes can withstand the elements remarkably well. If you're prepared to commit to occasional staining or painting, a wood door can provide unmatched curb appeal and long-lasting performance. Vinyl. Budget-friendly and efficient vinyl doors are another option for homeowners looking for durability at an affordable price. Vinyl resists moisture and requires minimal upkeep, making it a practical choice for areas prone to rain, snow, or humidity. These doors offer solid insulation and won't rot or rust over time. While vinyl doesn't offer the same high-end appearance as wood or fiberglass, it remains a popular choice for sliding patio doors in certain replacement applications. If cost efficiency is a key factor, vinyl provides a dependable and long-lasting solution. Choosing the best door material for your Conshohocken home. Ultimately, the best material depends on what you value most: appearance, longevity, energy efficiency, or security. Fiberglass provides a balanced combination of all these benefits, while steel delivers unmatched strength. Wood offers natural beauty, and vinyl gives homeowners a budget-friendly, low-maintenance option. When installing a new door, it's important to work with a trusted local professional who understands Conshohocken's climate and can recommend the right material for your home's structure and style. A quality door replacement not only enhances comfort and security but also adds long-term value to your home.